Hello everyone, I am Barbara Nunes, Application Engineer, and I'm excited to introduce you to the next generation of metal bonding, DP8507. So this product is an acrylic, a two-component structural adhesive that has a 10:1 mix ratio. It also contains glass beads to make sure you have the same thickness across the entire bonding line. Our customers love acrylics because of its ability to bond to oily metals with almost no surface preparation. The other reason why acrylics are a preferred choice in the market is the fast cure. 8507 has 7 minutes open time and 15 to 20 minutes to handling strength. So one of the key benefits of 8507 is its ability to withstand baking cycles. A lot of our customers, they want to be able to powder coat their metal parts after bonding with adhesive. 8507 can withstand baking cycles for 30 minutes to up to 400 F. But what really sets 8507 apart from the other acrylics is its ability to bond to bare metals. So most of MMAs, methyl methacrylates, cannot bond to bare metals because they will increase the chances of having corrosion in the bond line. 8507, due to its unique formulation, won't do it. So you can use it to bond your bare metals before your baking cycles. So let's just see a quick demo to show you what that actually means. At a first glance, 8507 and a regular MMA may look the same after curing at room temperature. But after being exposed to high humidity and high temperature, the difference is clear. The regular MMA will not prevent corrosion in the bond line, leading to a weak bond and premature failure. 8507 won't propagate corrosion in the bond line, keeping a strong bond even in tough environments. Now let's take a look of actual overlap shear testing to quantify how much stronger 8507 is. Thank you for watching today. See you in the next video.